Hey, this is DNA BMX and this is our bike check. First off, mine is a Fit Street Signature with a Haro back rim, a custom Alienation Deviant front rim with a Madeira Pilot front hub. I have a Redline Racing Proline stem. I have stolen cranks. I have Austyn twisted pedals, Haro sprocket, a pre-mill hub guard.
That's me singing, by the way. In case you didn't know.
United Grande bars and Primo Kamikaze forks. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna let you see my friend's bike.
Alright, this is the Sunday wave frame, Sunday morning forks. I have an S&M Redneck XLT stem, really great, never strips. I'm not sure what the bars are, but I'm pretty sure it's Sunday Triumph bars. Got fly, 2.5 piece cranks, failure sprocket, stolen shackle chain, kink seat, seat post, animal, seat post clamp. Got a demolition anorexia rear hub, laced to an Austyn midway back rim. Front wheel is a Madeira Pilot front hub, laced to an Austyn 7KA, and these badass pre-mill pedals, and Reuben and Maxes. That's about it.
And that's our bike check.